Can you think of someone who made a huge difference on a large scale that solely did it themselves? No guidance from others? No outside help? No influence or inspiration? Everybody has somebody or something to keep them grounded. Community is what makes humans exist. As a team, we can work together because infinite skills create miracles. Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. Indeed, it's the only thing that ever has. Margaret Mead. Welcome to Thornridge, a rescue farm that homes over 200 animals ranging from llamas to Chinese water dragons. Yes, reptiles also live here. I want to make a difference in the community of Princeton by reducing waste, providing food, and welcoming guests to come explore the farm with its many parks, trails, and animals. What's my plan of action? Let's find out. The problem: water waste, food waste, recycling, affordable food, finding good quality, and climate change. Our goal is to reduce consumption of water for farming. Fun fact, 250 liters of water is used for 1 kilogram of lettuce with traditional farming. This can easily be reduced by 10%. Enhancing food productivity means using less land for agriculture. Up to 30% of food we produce is wasted. This waste has a huge environmental cost. Food loss to waste accounts to upward 10% of global greenhouse emissions. The solution. The best solution is to simply grow what we will actually use and to use all that we will grow. With an aquaponics center on Thornridge Farm, we will have a greenhouse, a market, and a restaurant. We will provide to the Princeton community and surrounding townships with fresh organic produce and tilapia, with low cost and more quantity. Listed below are some options you can have with aquaponics, ranging from Swiss chard to pomegranates. What is aquaponics? It's a symbiotic environment, a form of agriculture that combines raising fish in tanks with soil as plant culture. The fish provide a natural fertilizer for the plants, and the plants help purify the water for the fish. This is a sustainable solution to raise fresh fish and vegetables for a family, to feed a village, or to generate profit in a commercial farming venture year-round. Climate is not a factor. The support. In the location of Princeton, the concept of eating organic is a popular trend. I want to please the community and give them what they want at an affordable cost with more abundance. This is a business, but I want the people to take from this idea that I want to create. Grow your own, save the planet, feed your family. Let's start a trend. The ask. The rescue farm generates little to no profit. Each year, the farm needs to generate $5,000 of revenue per year to the state. From the expected profit of the aquaponics business, money can go towards the farm to help support the animals, help support the staff, and to help with annual taxes. We need investing for equipment, supplies, infrastructure, solar energy, for salaries, and for marketing. We are asking for 4 acres of land. The risk. The biggest risk factor is not developing a workable market plan. If we aren't recognized, we won't profit. Thornridge has the land, qualified staff, and the money. We need to make sure the community knows about us, what we are going to do, and our mission to help save the environment. Total investment costs range from $58,000 to $1 million depending on the scale of the operation. Annual net returns range from annual losses of more than $11,000 to a profit of $280,000 for a large-scale system. Now, because that is only factoring in just the aquaponics center, this doesn't factor in the market and the restaurant, which will produce more money. The startup plan priorities is number 1, getting the greenhouse started for aquaponics, the Thornridge market, developing a supply chain, reaching out to local restaurants, and then our 5-year plan is to have a restaurant for guests to come and stay on the farm while having a nice meal. What makes us so special? Our team. Living on the farm, we have an architect, a construction worker, a mechanic, an electrician, and of course a farmer. All of these team members own their own companies off the farm. I spoke with all of them, and they are willing to help with this project and to stay involved. The Garden State. New Jersey is full of farms. What will make us unique is that we will have an aquaponics farm. There's no prepaid plan. This is risky, but I'm willing to take it. Instead of guests having to pay a certain amount of money for a certain amount of time and a certain amount of abundance, they can come freely, take as much as they want, and pay what they need to. We hope to start a trend on a national and global level. We have a variety of animals and parks for guests to observe and adventure. And of course, we value our earth, healthy eating, and affordable costs. Come visit us at Thornridge Farm. Thank you for listening to me. I'm Caroline Lozak.